Hello. Yeah, Jitesh, what you did? Jitesh, what you did? Which stock?
Reliance Industry.
Next. Yeah, what is that? Ace shooter. Which stock? Fast.
Yes, sir. This is Shraddha, sir.
Shraddha.
Sir, I did on. Yes, sir. I did on Bosch. Then I did on Asian Paints, Astral, Axis Bank, Apollo Hospital, sir, and Gujarat Gas.
Okay, next. Next. Who's that? Yeah, Ravi. Yeah, Ravi. Which stock? Which stock?
Yeah, I did on ICICI Bank, sir.
Okay, next. Next.
So Gujarat Gas.
Who's this?
Nishant.
Yeah, next.
Sir, ACC and Adani Ports, sir.
Okay, next.
So I've done on BHEL and HMC, AMC, sir.
Why it is coming on TCD? Yeah, it is. The numbers are. The difference is very narrow. Are you sure? No, I don't think so. Next. No problem. You keep it. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next. Fast. Fast.
Sir, we were not aware of any such task given.
Huh? Durga, please read the messages which I am posting in WhatsApp. Please.
Yes, sir, I will.
No problem. Anyway, no problem. Okay, first, Jitesh, what's your take on Reliance?
Sir, Reliance date is 9th, next TCD date is 9th August. And it is going to break, I think, to 2649.
1 second. Tell me.
Sir, my number for Reliance is if it break above 2631, then it may cross to 2649 and will trade in on higher side, on new monthly high or yearly high. It will make.
Based on what analysis?
The time cycle dates.
No, time cycle you leave it, Basil. Time cycle you leave it to me. That I will take care. Anything
Okay.
apart from that you did?
Not apart from that, I have done this much only. Sir.
Okay, leave it. Time cycle you please leave it. Yeah, next. Ravi, ICICI Bank.
Sir, even I have done also on time cycle only 182 days and 91 days.
I clearly said don't waste time on time cycle. I clearly said no problem. Nishant, Jigas.
Yes, sir, just a second. Let me open the chart, sir. 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. In the weekly chart, it has given fake sell. So, and that low is not broken. So that is the start in the bigger time frame. Then if we see the numbers, all numbers are converging 469, 469 and 470. All four numbers are in the range of 2 to 3 points.
Okay.
And then I am also following one time cycle. So from 20th of July, the Gujarat Gas is in positive time cycle, as per my analysis. So what I did was I waited for Gujarat Gas to give a 15-minute buy,
Okay.
G buy in 15 minutes, and then it gave a 15-minute G buy. It crossed all the numbers also,
Okay.
and in 1 hour time frame, it is hovering near the pink.
Okay.
So I'm expecting that once it crosses the pink and 1 hour, it will also confirm the 1 hour G buy. So I'm expecting a target of 510 as per my time cycle and price analysis.
Good, good. So now let's talk about good guess.
So you have to change the numbers, I think. 486. The Onm Decider numbers have changed, I think.
What is the Onm Dicider number?
Just a second. So Onm is
470 and 471.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
so all four numbers are Onm Decider 470, short term, long term 469.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
That's all right. Just a minute.
Sir, I have also marked all the numbers on around 25 important stocks for this month,
Very good.
like you did, like you do.
Sir, Gujarat Gas comes under PSU.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, so now, fine. All the numbers, as he said, everything was converging, number one. Why this long-term number, short-term number converges, what will happen? Possibly, maybe one or two times it may give a dilly-dally stop loss hit, no problem. But once the rally started, the target is double of 469. Target is double of 469. For example, this is the Onm Dicider number which I am giving for every month, and you are having it for the last 1 year. But in this, I am starting from April. If you go and touch, for example, call Paul, this is the long-term number, this is the short-term number. Okay. So now what it says, once the stock cross 1521, once it comes and touches 1406, which is the first entry, and once it crosses 1521, the stock has to consolidate for some month. Once this is taken out on the higher side, till it holds this number, the target is into 2. So if you go to call Paul, so the call Paul number was 41401412. Okay, and that number is not done. The low came. Sorry, that number is came. Sorry. So this came in the month of March. You can go and check that number in the March Onm Dicider number. This number would have been there. So now leave this 1412. So now when it crossed 1533. But earlier this number was 1421. Now it is increased to 1533. So at 1521, for example, this is 1521. You got a magical candle daily. So simply above 1521 you need to buy. And again it went up. It came down, gave the opportunity. Then again a fake sell, and from there it started moving up. So now the number got converged here. So what is the target now? 1511 into 2. Till it holds 1412. The same thing for Gujarat Gas. In this, what we need to do? We need to check the cycle. So now we are not getting any yearly cycle. I don't know whether we are getting the yearly cycle. 1 second, I will check the cycle date. If you get anything on no, we don't have any yearly date for Gujarat Gas in the month of August. Not a problem. So this is the first date and this is the second date. So on the second date, which has happened on 14th July, it made a bottom. So till it owes 459, the bottom is done. And the 4 numbers are converged in this month. It means possibility of explosion. Possibility of explosion. But where it will have a hiccup? The hiccup will be at 499.90, 506, 505, 513.
Sir, what is the red line in between?
No, this is the TCD date high, this date high and low.
So there it will have some resistance, no?
These are all the resistance here. So now what you can do, simply go to 15 minutes, mark the high and low. If it comes and touches the 15 minutes, whenever, whether it is going to come and touch now or after year, I don't know that. Whenever it comes and touches that blue and red color, you need to buy. You need to buy. The same 4 number got converged in Birla Soft at 242. Now it is 400. The target is into 2. The target is into 2. If you go to Birla Soft here, even if you go to April month also, this is the number. And both got converged at 242. And that is why I gave a target of into 2. Now it is 400. You got it? The same thing, I don't know. Fundamentally, I don't know. Ghosh is saying that fundamentally there is some problem and all that. I don't believe in that. But according to me, the bottom is done for the stock. Okay. So now let's go and take Gujarat Gas. So this is a clear-cut consolidation. And any time the breakout is, don't worry, I will get the time cycle. Don't worry about it. I will get the time cycle. Okay. So this is what your pattern says. So now let's come to Ichimoku. Exactly at the resistance. So what will happen? If it breaks here, for example, if it goes and touches this, resistance, which is the trend line, it will come and touch this flat line. It will. But what is that number? It is 481. This area you need to enter. Okay. In this, what happens on daily? Now the stock is above baseline, conversion line, and it is at the resistance. And where it is trying to break, it is trying to break when the convergence is happening at the close. Are you able to see it? Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It will always try here only. It will always try here only. It will always wait for the time. That is the beauty of Ichimoku. It will always wait for where to cross and when to cross. So if this happens tomorrow, this is the first confirmation for me, because it is doing its work correctly. So then this lagging span will go here and have an impact here, and maybe it is roughly around 487 or whatever it is. Okay, but according to me, since this is red color, even though if the breakout happens, maybe if it goes here also, it will come and touch here. 99.99%. If this happens and takes the support here, believe me, this is going to be the stock. And the quantity also a decent one, more than 1,000 shares in options. So 100% we need to concentrate on this stock. So now let's come to time cycle. See, why I'm teaching all this is next month you should not come out and say that, I am doing only that. You need to do all the analysis, because I don't believe in Elliott wave, in the sense I'm not able to understand Elliott wave. So that is why I left. When if you people are doing, Elliott wave, you need to do and tell me that this is what it is. So now a simple time cycle of, cyclic line, it says this date will be the peak. And this also very clearly saying above 492 it is bullish based on this time cycle, based on this cyclic line. Okay, so now it is at the resistance. See what happened here. After this time cycle, none of the candle closed below. It gave a buy, but stop loss triggered. Then it tried to break the high, not able to do it. Again came down. Now again trying. This is the second time it is tried. So this time cycle, which is a very simple time cycle, see how it is doing a work. So now coming to the other time cycle, which you can also use this one also. So the exact bottom of Gujarat Gas made on 144th day. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
That is the bottom of the bottom. That is the bottom of the bottom. So till it owes this low, which is 442, nothing to worry about in this stock. So now simply forward that 144 stocks, 144 days here. So now it is coming on 15th August. 15th August. The next step to find out the best time cycle. So now again, if you go on the top, so let's mark this, because next time you need to do all this. That's why I'm teaching you now. So now go here and put on the top. So now mark this and put a cyclic line and put it as a pink. So this is the one and this is the two where it made the exact bottom again. Are you able to see it?
Yes.
So when is the next cycle? The next cycle is on 27th November. So we will leave that. As of now, we don't want that. Okay. So now beautifully it got the bottom on 8th May, and from there the stock is moving up. So once above this, it's a clear-cut winner. It's a clear-cut winner. So now again, if you go to Gujarat Gas, see, what I am showing now is a very simple time cycle I am showing. I am not going into advanced. Okay. So now Put weekly. Major cycle. Major cycle. Then go to the extreme bottom. See, whenever you are taking any stock on a weekly time frame, after the high or a low, please remember this. After the high or a low, the stock should go down by 10% minimum. It can go beyond by 20%, 30%, 50%, whatever it is. The minimum criteria should be 10%. Otherwise, this swing is not valid to take the time cycle. So now, from this, just a minute. So now from this high, the price fell almost 25%. So this is valid to take the consideration of time cycle, whatever time cycle it is, whichever time cycle it is. So now what I am trying, am I getting any major swing from 360? So what it says, the 360 cycle is this cycle. So always remember, any time cycle which comes on 360, if it crosses the eye, it is a new beginning. This is what I teach in my course. After 360, whether it is in daily or weekly or monthly, weekly and monthly are very powerful when compared to daily. The longer time frame, time cycle always will have an edge when compared to the shorter time frame. So now, based on this, this is the high and low of 360. And it is consolidating within the 360 candle.
Sir, I think it has crossed 360
No, I don't.
bar, no? High?
I don't think so. Whether it closed or not. No.
Okay, yes.
No. Okay. So any weekly time cycle closes above 360. New beginning for the stock. And you can use this 360 at any high and low, no problem. Any high and low, no problem. So now 160, then 180. See how everything is converging. So this is the top and this is the top. So from here, 180 is what? It is exactly happening, which is happened last week. Are you able to get this?
Yes, sir.
See how time decides everything. From this top, 360. From this top, again 180, which is off. So now go to 90. So this is 90. According to me, we can take this, but the validity, what you can do is, Just a minute. Again, see what all happening. Are you able to get this?
They're consolidating within 90, 60 and 180.
Yeah, see what is happening here. 360, 180, now 90.
Conjunction.
Okay, and it is trading only within that. None of the candle closed above. Understand that. None of the candle closed above, none of the candle closed below. It is a pure consolidation. It means it is taking the time to decide the substantial move. Maybe on the higher side, maybe on the lower side. But what I am only one thing, my number got converged. That is the only thing I am betting on. My number got converged. No problem. Even if this time if the stop loss hit, no problem, I will take the stop loss hit. But again, when it does again in the future, I will again enter long. As of now, I am holding long only. That's a different issue altogether. But see how time decides everything is what we are talking here. So now again, 90 is done, then go to 45, which is the lowest time cycle. So now this low is the 45 week. Again, exact low. So this is how you need to do your time cycle. When everything is happening is something, I don't know what's going to happen. Something big is going to happen in this company. Are you able to get me now?
Yes, sir. So there is already a positive trigger, so that is hopeful.
I don't know what is that positive trigger. What is that?
Sir, Saudi, they have increased propane prices, so Gujarat Gas now can breathe.
Okay. So he is giving some fundamental analysis. So kindly have a note down. Okay. So now targets based on the candles. The first target is this, second target is this, third target is this, and fourth target is this. Okay. So now in Ichimoku also it is okay. Let's go and talk about what is happening in Pitchfork in a very simple stage. Got it? Isn't it a beauty?
At the bottom.
Yeah, it is at the bottom. That's it.
Sir, can you zoom in at the point where current price is?
Got it?
Thank you.
So even if I...
So this is the second attempt of Gujarat Gas that it is crossing the long-term number. It tried earlier also, but came back. Then again, it is trying. This is a good thing.
Yeah, it is. It has to converge at that number again and again and again for the blast.
Yes. So this is a good thing that we have seen it the second time.
Yeah.
Maybe this time it will give the move.
Maybe it waited for that convergence to happen on the time. The time convergence has to happen. The stock, then only the stock will decide the move. Otherwise, the stock will never decide the move. The time has to come for the price has to move.
Sir, natural gas prices does impact Gujarat Gas?
Then you need to check with Goshen.
Yes, it does.
So if the prices of natural gas increases, then the Gujarat Gas prices might increase, no?
Yes. But the current headache is propane. The consolidation you are seeing, see 469, around 460 to 469, that bottom has been made. But what happens every time it is trying to go up, this propane, Saudi decreases propane price and it goes down. So what I have been following this for a long time. What it is happening is every time it is trying to go up, Saudi cuts propane prices, bad news come and it again goes down. So this is what has been happening for this long. But from September, the new propane prices which is going to come into effect is actually higher. So Gujarat Gas now has breathing space. So I kind of parallelly match both the thing, the time cycle analysis which Sarah is teaching, plus the triggers which are happening elsewhere.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
So now from this low again, 18 candle is happening this coming week. So kindly have a watch. So this is how you need to combine price, time, your pattern, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So now if you go to moving average, please be mute. Okay, so now the price is sustaining above the 100, sorry, the 21. The initial hiccup will be on the 50. Break above 50, it will go to 100, 529, and 20 is no problem at all. Sorry, 200 is no problem at all. This is on a weekly front. So coming to daily front, just a minute. The same thing you can work in Nifty also. I'm just giving you an example in Gujarat Gas. You know, why what happened to this? Just a minute. Why it is not fetching data?
Sir, heavy time analysis, so trading view got stuck.
Just a
So
minute.
press F5. Press F5.
Press F5. Yeah, what is that?
F5 or Control R. Anyone.
Okay, sure. F5. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the moving average. So this is what it is in daily. So now the only hiccup is the 200 day. Okay, and coming to weekly. So 200 is intact. Once it crosses 50, possibility is 100. Then coming to the best world indicator of all the topmost analysts, RSI. I see divergence only. Yeah, it's a clear divergence only. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And here also clear divergence. Got it? Got it or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Even if you take here also divergence. Got it? The price, lower low, RSI, sorry, price higher low, RSI lower low. So all coming into the fold. So stock of the month is this, then you can do MACD, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I don't believe in all that. Anyway, whatever you want to do, you do. But combine many analysis so that you can build the position. That is what is going to give us confidence.
Sir, in fortune signal also in 1 hour, it is almost, maybe tomorrow it can give GY, but it has given initial candle.
No, it is GBay already.
Maybe some more cushion, sir, maybe.
No, 480. Yeah, some more cushion.
Some more cushion.
Yeah, some more cushion. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Stock of the month is Gujarat Gas. So let's see what best it is going to do for us. Okay. Then Mr. who's that? Satya, Sendila. Who did Adani Port? Who did Adani Port?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Satya, what is your observation in Adani Port?
Adani Ports, sir.
I will post the targets of Gujarat Gas in the night or tomorrow morning. Okay, so I will give all the upper targets. Don't worry about it. And for Gujarat Gas, I will give you the entry in options, and I will give you the targets also. Which option you need to buy? What are all the targets? Okay, I will give that. No, I will just note it down so that I will give the entry. Price target and option entry and exit. Okay, next. Adani Port.
Sir, Adani Port, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
777 to 788 is the resistance zone to cross, sir. As per trend line.
Okay.
And 710 and 715 is the ultimate support.
715 is the ultimate support. Understood. Next.
Yes, sir. After 777 or 7888, huge upside is possible, sir. I posted the chart also in WhatsApp, sir.
Okay.
1 second, I will also post another.
So first and foremost,
and one more thing. Yearly pivot is around 820 to 830, sir.
Yearly pivot,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And the trend line zone is also there, weekly.
820?
820 to 830, sir. That also I will post the chart.
Okay. So now, in daily it is in buy.
Yes, sir.
But more or less it is not a G buy as of now.
Okay, sir.
Got it or not?
Yeah.
Number one. In 1 hour, no problem at all. G buy came down but not touched this blue. No problem. 15 minutes, take sell, no problem. Now let's go to weekly. Why it is getting restricted? Because of this problem. And here it is take sell.
Sir, same I could see in Adani Enterprise also.
Yeah, all the same only. So, this is, but this candle is very big. You cannot take a risk based on this candle because this candle is, I think, more or less, 16% candle on a weekly. So it is very hard to take, entry based on this. But in case, whenever you get an opportunity of small candle in weekly or daily or wherever it is, you can take a risk on this sell candle. But this is a very big candle. So taking the position is tough. But what you can do, mark this low and you can keep this as a stop loss. This is for positional. I am talking about investment. So now this area,
and also check that Ichimoku in this weekly.
I'll do that. I'll go to that. Okay. So now this area will be the resistance, and the resistance area is 771, 820.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And that is what I already mapped here. So the numbers will be already here, 771 and 820. Okay, once 771, because I was giving this target only, it will go to 771, 771, 771. But once it goes to 771, crosses above, possibility is 820.
Yes, correct.
Coming to numbers, this is the Onm and the decider. $746, $735. 746 is done. 735. Now 15 minutes fake sell, 1 hour G buy, once it comes and touches at 146, you must enter based on Onm Dicider. You must enter. I have already made the video on how to trade the Onm Dicider last month. If you want again, I will send that video. Kindly go and watch that video.
Where to enter, sir? At Adani Port?
In case if it comes and touches 748, you need 746, you need to enter based on the number. Because in 15 minutes it is in buy, 1 hour it is in buy. Condition met. If you get a sell candle here on 15 minutes and it is going to be a fake sell, instead of buying 2 lots, buy 10 lots. You got it or not? Why? If you go to 15 minutes, my internet is down. Anybody is running video in the back? Okay, so now this is 15 minutes. Is it matching? Are you able to get this?
Yes, sir.
So this is a fake sell. Absolutely no issue. Above this you need to buy. And suppose if the market comes down here, this is the entry area. You can keep a stop loss of roughly around 4 rupees and you can take even 10 lots. 8,000 shares you can take. If it goes, no problem. But if it gives phenomenal money. Then tomorrow is the decider day, which is the yearly date for Adani Port. So now let's go and talk about time cycle. We already know because Adani Port is having a yearly date. So I don't want to do anything more than that because that knows everything. So now let's talk about first cyclic date. So next time when you are doing an analysis, I need analysis like this, not chumma analysis. Okay. So based on this time cycle, the exact bottom is happened on the low. Got it? High, low. Done. So above this you need to buy. You already bought, your stop loss not triggered till now. But when you are buying above this candle high, you should not keep the stop loss of this low. No, you need to keep a stop loss of this candle. The best one would be this, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. But this will be the stop loss. So now the low of this candle is 703. 703. And high of this candle is 741. Simple cyclic line. Doing wonder? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Stunning. Your work is like the analysis is stunning.
Okay, so now again, if you go here, August 3rd is again a very important date. See what all happened even in this time cycle from low to high, exact top, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Exact bottom, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
exact bottom. It means what? When 3 cycles are working the best, maybe 4th cycle will give a little bit dilly-dally, but again you need to take this into consideration because this time cycle is again 100% success ratio.
What is the coming time cycle date, sir?
3rd August.
Day, and 3rd is the cyclic day. 3rd is the cyclic day. See, the simple time cycle, how it is working. Can any technical analyst can predict this?
No, sir.
No, sir. The kind of analysis which you have done, I have not seen in the last 6-7 years.
So now, if you go here, this is the top, this is the bottom. So for them, this is the resistance and this is the support. But it is not like that. It is not like that. The time knows the support and resistance on its own. And that support and resistance will be respected by the market more than 90% rather than your demand and supply is what you are trying. I will not give importance to this. Okay, so now time cycle is done. You can go and do the weekly cycle. I don't want to go to the weekly cycle. I have already taught you. So now let's come to Ichimoku. Clearly, absolutely, I don't see any issue. Everything is out and the lagging span possibility in case if there is a consolidation again tomorrow, if it is going to be an inside bar candle, then this lagging span will come and hit here in this candle. So now what happens after that? I will remove all the time cycle now. Okay. So now what happens after that? In case if it is going to be an inside bar candle tomorrow, this lagging span will come and hit here. So now what happens in this case? The cloud is big. Now the cloud is getting narrow, and it is above the conversion line baseline. Above the cloud is blue. The Ichimoku is at the major level, and once it breaks, there is no resistance on the top. Free to go.
Sir, can you please change to weekly once, Ichimoku?
Yeah. So now this is daily. Coming to weekly. Oh, what a beauty, yeah. What a beauty.
That's why I told you to change to weekly.
Yes, sir. That was the thing I
what a beauty. What a beauty. So now
I have been following this one.
This, if it goes out, well and good. But the only problem is based on this, we will try to come here and touch. We cannot withstand this fall based on a weekly higher time frame, but it is at the breakout mode. It is at the breakout mode.
The Chico will also cross, sir.
Yeah, and see where it is trying all that crossing. That is the beauty of Ichimoku. It is not tried anywhere here. It tries only when there is a twist. These are only will give goosebumps once you see all this. No, when somebody has done analysis on 1929, see how it works here. So now mega time is next week. Okay, based on Ichimoku.
Sir, conversion line support is there, so that is one advantage.
Yeah. So now where will be the hiccup? The hiccup is only here. Once it crosses this line, which is roughly around 1 second. 798 and closes above, then watch the fun of Adani. Watch the fun of Adani. Okay, so now again let's go to the weekly time cycle. where it made the high, and from there it's a collapse. Got it? None of the candle closed above this candle high. And how to trade this? I think 11th batch people are gifted. They are getting this. Beautiful.
Amazing analysis.
Beautiful. So 144 is done. So now come to 72. Again, this one. Time and price squared. The low of 72 is squared at 144. Collapse. Okay. Again, go and try to do something bigger. Major collapse, because this is the topmost cycle. You all know what is that. So in weekly, from this exact low 360 week, collapsed. Again, the price and time squared. This cycle of 144 and this cycle of 360 combined, price and time squared on a weekly, very powerful. 144 and 360 combined together, very powerful candle, collapsed. So now again it is entering that range only now. So in this case, what happens? Any close above 827, believe me, all this will not be a resistance at all. And if you take Adani group share, this one is still holding when compared to any other stock. Because this is the core for him. Adani port is the core for him. This is not fallen much. See, this is because of that news it has fallen, but it recouped everything, according to me. Not Adani Enterprise, but the Adani port has recouped everything, more or less. So now this is the Mecca resistance area. But once it crosses, I don't know, it may even go to 1600. It may go to even 1600. So now let's go and talk about number. What is the Adani port? 627, 526. 627, 526. Even in April, what is the number? April. Yeah, it's the same number, 526. So now the low is what? 400. Then 526. That is the area. That's a value area to buy. And 619. Beautiful. And we gave this number. It is there in the Telegram group as well as in the WhatsApp group. When the fall started, we gave this number. We said this is the buying area. Whatever happens here, this is the buying area. So now, based on the time cycle, I think this time cycle is more than enough for us now. So this area will be the major resistance level. Break above this, it's going to be a wonder. The simple thing is tomorrow iron low. So tomorrow iron low. Watch it, use it, enjoy it. Got it now?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Amazing analysis class.
Next, Asian Paints, madam. Who has done the Elliott wave, yeah?
Yes, sir.
You have done Elliott wave, madam?
Hello, sir.
Somebody has said that they will do Elliott wave. Who's that? Who's that, yeah?
Sir, I posted. Sir, I did. I have got the screenshot, but my system got corrupted. I am just getting those images. I'll send you in 5 minutes. Elliott for those.
See,
just 5 minutes, sir.
Yeah, no problem. See, that time cycle analysis, Ichimoku, pitchfork, everything I do. What I told you to do is what is happening in options. Till now, nobody talked about anything on the options.
Yes, sir. Options now I'm not tracking, but Elliott, my team member, does. So I'll send.
Nobody.
I'll send, sir.
Any other thing? Nobody. So now it's going to be again my webinar only.
So after seeing your analysis, no need of options.
No. See, I want to understand whether any build up in Gujarat gas. See, why I'm asking all this is because we can add quantity. See,
yeah, I understand that you are open to different frameworks, but the number of frameworks which you have used is mind-boggling in the Indian stock market context.
No. I'm doing only a small work anyway. See, why I'm doing this?
That's your humility, sir.
Last month I missed Polycap and it is not given me sleep for 3 days. It is not because of I didn't notice. I entered, but by mistake I sold. And we decided these two counters beginning of the month. And that is what hurted me a lot. And that is why I gave the homework particularly only for that. Rather than targeting 190 companies, if we concentrate 5 companies, it is more than enough. If we revolve around that only 5 companies with Nifty and Bank Nifty, our game is done for the August. Okay, so now again I am lagging in option report, no option thing, and somebody has sent me that or told me that Petronet options are the build-up is long, build-up is seen. So I'm not getting any thing from your guys on how the options things are looking, but don't try to post the picture that I can do. I can do that. Don't try to post the pictures to me. Write it after posting the picture, sir. This is what it is. Posting a graph doesn't make any sense to me. You need to write the comment under. Then only I can understand, I can forward it to my people, others. So they will also understand. When I am putting self-explanatory in my, poster means, it means you already know it. I don't need to.
What do you want in option chain? Tell me, I'll work on it and I'll post.
Nothing, whether the long build-up or short build-up or where the long build-up, where the short build-up.
Matlab major resistance and major support according to option chain.
That's all, nothing more than that.
And which side is heavy, whether it's a call heavy or put heavy, correct, sir?
Nothing else.
Tell me the stock, I'll do the option chain analysis today and I'll send you.
The stock is already with you. It is for Adani Port, Gujarat Gas, everything. Whatever talk which you are talking about right now, it is only for that.
So Gujarat Gas, Tata Power, Adani Enterprise, Adani Port and
Onm, Apollo Hospital and
Asian Paints.
Asian Paints. That's it.
Asian Paints call side is heavy writing is there, sir.
Not now. You all missed it. Send me the message. Madam, now tell me, madam, what you have done on Bosch?
Sir, you missed out RBL Bank.
Yeah, that I will come to the later.
Sir, Madam, Asian Paints and which one? Which other one?
Durga, I have already messaged the counters which I am holding. That
Apollo Hospitals. Okay, sir.
That is the counter. Yeah, madam, what is the take on Bosch?
So, as I had mentioned, like on weekly, it looks almost like a double top. Okay, and it has, those inverted hammers at the top. And it's moved below the baseline of Ichimoku. This is on weekly chart, sir.
Yeah, this is weekly only I'm talking.
Yes, sir. And on daily, the price is below the clouds, sir. And I am using DMI And DMI, the ADX is indicating sideways as it is lacking strength because it's below this thing, below 15. So it's lacking strength. So what I'd mentioned was price is below the midline of BB, like Bollinger Band, which again I use. I mean, whatever I've learned, I'm just using those, sir.
No problem, madam. Okay.
Yes, sir. And again, there is a consolidation between the price consolidation on 4 hourly between the base and the convergence line, sir. Okay, and again on hourly, what I have observed is there are small candles, like small